What country has the most unappetizing cuisines? As an Australian looking for my country but realizing we don't actually have a cuisine. We just steal the best from others. Lol. I spent a month in Vanuatu and I've never had worse food in my life. We ate lap lap every day with his basically baked taro root with no salt or seasoning and a little curdled coconut milk on top. Because we were visiting some villages that we had family connections to, sometimes people would kill a pig, so we would have meat maybe once a week, and we might go fishing once a week or so. Other than that, it was lap lap. Lots of lap lap. Interestingly, I never suffered from indigestion the entire month I was there. Whenever I went back to the capital city to fly home, I was craving something familiar, so I ate a Caesar salad at a restaurant that gave me the worst food poisoning in my life.